So again, omnidirectional antennas are designed to radiate that radio frequency in all directions. But you know, this is a side view that we're looking at, because you know, when you hear this term all directions, you think, you know, if I had that antenna, wouldn't that encompass height, right, and all that area? But really, it's not. It's you know, we're focusing really on this coverage from one lobe to the other, to which, by the way, there is height in that, which just simply means that we're going to be able to get all the laptops and other machines while people are at their desks or standing up or walking around. But it doesn't really go very vertically high. And that's another good thing to have, because that way you know that it's going to be per, let's say, floor of an office or per floor of a hotel or things like that. Typically, these used to be called, well, you know, I think we called them rubber duckies, but they were rubber-coated antennas. I don't know how well I can draw one, but usually you saw this little antenna with the connector, and then it had another connector that fit into the side of your access point. Well, that's what was the most common type of antenna. And you know, then many of them started getting coated in plastic. And today, when you buy an access point, you don't even see an antenna, because those antennas are hidden inside of that actual access point. And the direction of this coverage literally depends on the orientation of that access point. So where they used to be very common, when they would call them the default, they're not as common anymore.